For your company to succeed, you need to produce great products. And to produce great products, you need great product managers. Product managers are the silent heroes of innovation. Often referred to as the mini CEO of a product, they ultimately own every stage of a product's lifecycle. From product ideation to product retirement, the guiding hand of a product manager is always there. Eschewing traditional, narrow organizational roles and responsibilities, they act as entrepreneurs, strategists, team leaders, and customer advocates. They envision, define, and craft the customer experience. What's more, product managers influence decisions not just about what gets built, but how it gets built. Product managers' responsibilities are varied and their focus is broad. They are concerned with the big picture. They are responsible for defining product vision, which doesn't just mean how the product will look, what the price point will be, or how long it will be in use. It means all of these things, but much more. Product managers analyze customer and market trends to reveal new opportunities to satisfy a customer need. They provide insight into unique offerings your organization can bring to market. And to maximize profitability, they envision the complete life cycle and performance of a product from conception to withdrawal. As their role reaches into all areas of the organization, product managers wear many hats. To be an effective mini CEO of their product, they must become experts in every factor that might impact its success. They must act as a central hub for all information about the product. They must communicate with and influence both internal and external stakeholders. Product managers, therefore, play a major role in an organization's long-term vision and are responsible for setting its product strategy. They focus on broad, strategic business goals and track overall business and product performance. They define the objectives that lead to product creation. Product managers define the product vision, but they must work with a broader team of stakeholders to develop a project strategy. This means coordinating with departments throughout the organization to ensure the delivered product aligns with the product vision. Product managers are the guiding hand throughout a product's life. They will touch every aspect of a product's development and delivery, so they must be conversant with every stage of that process. They will influence everything from design and engineering to advertising, fulfillment, and finance. Another key responsibility of the product manager is building the product roadmap. Market research and customer insights are first combined to achieve stakeholder buy-in. Product managers think about what is being delivered and why it is being delivered. They ask questions like, can we make this camera better or more powerful? What customer need is this powerful camera satisfying? How does our camera compare to our competitors' offerings? This drives the initial momentum behind product vision and product strategy. The product roadmap details prototyping, release strategy, marketing, and upgrades within the product's lifecycle. A roadmap is the supporting document for a product manager's vision and strategy. It must be created in a transparent manner. It must be evidence-based and capable of communicating product goals to all stakeholders. Resources, regardless of the organization's size, will always be limited. Roadmaps must therefore set out priorities and make a clear case for the way resources are deployed. While their ultimate role is to generate profit for your organization, a product manager's focus is generally defined as external and customer-centric. They reach outside the organization to find inspiration. They conduct market research, define user personas, and develop marketing strategy. Crucially, they communicate the value of a product to both internal and external stakeholders. In this way, they are a vital intersection between customer needs and aspirations, and the needs and aspirations of the organization. Great product managers must be great communicators. They are responsible for bridging the information gap between stakeholders, the product team, and the product users. Communication must be clear, and all viewpoints must be taken on board and prioritized. The customer experience is always the highest priority for any product manager. But all internal and external factors must be analyzed and fed back into the overarching organization strategy. Deciding on priorities is essential. While interacting with multiple departments, product managers will encounter vested interests. They will meet the enthusiastic engineer who wants to push a shiny new feature, for example. Or perhaps a sales manager who thinks an off-schedule product update will give their team a competitive edge. Being able to say no is therefore an essential skill for product managers. Being able to explain the reason why is just as important. Product managers must be able to listen, but also to prioritize requests and not allow those requests to derail their product vision. The product manager experience of influencing teams and guiding products through their lifecycle is highly valued at C-suite level. It's no wonder then that many product managers make the leap from mini CEO to company CEO. Google's Sundar Pichai and PepsiCo's Indra Nooyi are just two examples of former product managers that went on to fill the top spot in their organizations.